I'm living my best life. Yeah, yeah. I'm living my best life. I said, I'm living my best life. I said, I'm living my best life. You see the whip pulling up, it's like dreams pulling up, I'm like
So hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. If you don't know who I am, my name is Tomi, and I make YouTube videos. I'm actually upstairs in my loft. I was gonna do an apartment tour. I will do it, guys, like an empty one, and then I will post my furnished apartment tour real soon. It's just that the loft area I just don't really like yet. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm trying to do with this area up here. So right now it has like a rug, but I want to put some type of furniture here that I think I will like. It's a weird shape, it's kind of asymmetrical, so I'm gonna have to figure out what I want to do with it. Anyway, that's not the point. I'm here to show you guys how to dress, so you guys will see the little intro. But I just wanted to say, if you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do subscribe, and follow me on all my social media. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're not new, thank you for coming back. And yeah, let's get into this video, guys. Oh, sorry, sorry, I was watching Game of Thrones. Ankle is sprained, but that doesn't matter in case you're wondering what this is. But today I decided I wanted to try to do something about these jeans. So, oh, sorry, I drive my gym clothes over here. Let's move this out the way so nobody sees it. Here we are. So I have these jeans. I thrifted them maybe about I think 2 years ago. They were extremely big for me back then, so I just bought them. Then I gained weight, then I am losing weight again, so I just tried them on and they were my size. They were actually a lot tighter last week, so I'm really happy about my weight loss so far. So I wanted to distress these, and I wanted to like record my process and like kind of show you guys what I'm doing. I did cut a hole in the knee earlier, like last week, because me and my friends decided to go out and it was just way too plain for me. But I want to do a lot more because I just feel like it's really simple. So I want to do a lot more, but I don't want to do too much, so it's not like it's winter time. Like, it's about to be winter. I still want to be able to wear it during the winter, you know what I'm saying? And I'll probably also end up taking the waist in a little bit, just so that the waist can be a little bit more flattering. But I'm not gonna do that right now because this is actually really comfortable, and I think because of the shirt it just doesn't look that great. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do. This is my first time ever distressing jeans and I'm really excited about it, so we'll see what happens. All right, guys. All right, so let's get to work. I just want to make sure I'm in the right frame. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I have a chalk wheel which looks like this. So I'm just gonna mark off the areas where I think I kind of want, some patches somewhere. I know I want some in the knees and maybe some a little bit lower down. So I already have a nice little slit. So I know I want like my knee to be sort of exposed. I really like what I have going here, so I don't think I'm gonna do too much on that knee. I think I want a patch somewhere here, like this area, or maybe another little one right here, just so that I have a little distressing above the knee but still have the knee, but this knee will be completely gone. Let's see, I don't want anything a little too high up, so we could do a little bit of something here. So you definitely can't see it, but I've marked out all the places that I want to do stuff on. And so we're gonna start. Hopefully this doesn't take forever. I heard it takes a long time, but hopefully it doesn't for me because I don't have a lot of time. Otherwise, I'll still be watching Game of Thrones from up here. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start. I'm starting on this side, and I'm just going to make a hole. Long scissors. Just gonna make a hole. You just kind of extend that a little bit, just slightly, and I'm gonna make another hole here. And extend that as well. Now, because this hole is really big, I'm actually gonna have to make a couple of slits. So you're gonna take these white threads. Sorry, I didn't know you couldn't see. You're gonna start taking them to the side, at least for where it has been cut. And once full threads start coming out, you're going to start trying to take out like the blue threads in between. So here I'm making kind of an abstract one. The ones I've made, wow, just my thighs. The ones I've made have kind of been kind of straight almost, except for this one. But this one I kind of want to make cool. So I have a little patch here. I'm gonna have a little patch up here. And then I'm gonna have these two. This is gonna be a big patch right here. So I'll show you guys. So you're basically still gonna do the same process. And I like to turn it inside out and just pull some of them, pull some of the white threads. Sometimes they cooperate, sometimes they don't. And I personally don't care if they rip or not. But yeah, this is what we're looking like. I'm gonna do the same thing for this edge. And you wanna take as many of those white ones out as possible so that pulling the threads out becomes a lot easier. All right, so this is the finished product, you guys. This is what it looks like at the end. So I did have some more stuff up here that I was going to like rip, but I think it actually looks pretty good right now. I just ate, hold on, let me see if I can. These are like men's pants, I think. So they're not as flattering as like real mom jeans, but nobody has to know that except y'all on this video. This is what it looks like at the end. I'm pretty excited with how it turned out. It took me a while. It took me a couple of hours just to do all these patches. So I was watching Game of Thrones to keep me busy or to keep me company, but I really like it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this tutorial. A lot of it, I kind of just like started rubbing them and stuff just to like make them look more, you know, distressed. And I'm hoping that these little blue things, like the little blue jean threads, will start to like come off and it'll like appear more white. But honestly, I'm really happy with the result, and I like the fact that they're not too high up. So, you know, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave me a thumbs up, a like, comment down below what kind of DIYs you would like to see. Like, as you can see, I'm like sewing over here. I don't really like to do DIYs for sewing because it's hard for me to do that. I just like to sew and get it done with. But if you guys would like to see any more like easy DIYs, let me know. I'm pretty excited about how this turned out. So yeah, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you and God bless. Bye.